a Canadian firm, developed an easy-to-install desalination system that runs on wave and solar energy. The circular raft-like device uses tidal and solar energy to power its reverse-osmosis desalination process. Everything is contained within the buoy that is usually located a few hundred meters from the coast. Unlike other available desalination solutions, this does not require land setup, allowing for land conservation in ecologically-sensitive and tourism-driven areas. The device can be easily installed and adapts to most ocean conditions. In addition, it is designed to produce up to 10,000 liters of clean water per week, enough for about 450 people, making it ideal for disaster and recovery situations. Will this eco-friendly desalination system truly provide a cost-effective and quick means to respond to far-flung disaster-stricken areas, or will it remain a technology for easily reachable places? Please comment your thoughts below.